Alright guys, today's video, as you have probably already seen by the title, which I always say for some reason, but you always know what you click into, I feel like, except if it's clickbait. I don't know why I'm getting that, I'm just in a very good mood because today I'm gonna be filming for you and with you. I hope you're doing your makeup with me, hopefully getting ready for Christmas Eve or holiday or a night out or anything you might be celebrating. New Year's resolution, I hope I learn how to do my hair this year. You're going out for New Year's or Christmas and you're gonna be taking pictures or you're gonna be wearing your makeup for a long time, just make sure you stick with products that you know you love. I think this is what I'm gonna be doing today as well. I have been loving recently the Super Stay 24 Hour by Maybelline. So good. I might end up adding more, but this is already a pretty full coverage foundation, so I don't think I'm gonna need any more. And just remember that wearing hoops while doing your makeup is a big no-no. You're probably gonna get foundation on your earrings. Alright, so on my face I'm gonna be going with two different concealers. The first one I'm gonna start with is the WetnWild Photofocus concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm actually using that to eliminate the blue tones around my eye. Next up I'm gonna go with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage. I've talked about this concealer for so long, you guys know I love it. It's my extra favorite concealer. Look at that. These two are literally an absolute dream team underneath the eye. For powder, of course, we're gonna go with the Coty Airspan, and I'm gonna set everything in place with my sponge. Literally my under eye looks like a baby's butt. It is so smooth looking. Next up I'm gonna move on to contouring because we need to be snatched for the New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve. I'm running too fast here. I'm gonna use, what else, my Inglot Single Shadow in 357. Like, look at that. For me, it's the perfect shadow on my face. It's so good. And I do like bringing it, you know, a little bit towards my mouth as well, because I have a little bit of chubby cheeks. I like to disguise it like this. You guys haven't seen me using it in a while because I've been using the Hula bronzer from Benefit, but the butter bronzer I think will be the true one in my heart. Sometimes I just forget what a beautiful bronzer it is, and it just gives this very natural warmth to your skin. Okay, I have something to confess. Does anybody else have a strange hand when you're like blending or doing something? Because I might be blending my bronzer and my other hand will be like sitting like this on my desk and I'm like, what are you actually doing? I'm gonna go into the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade Bury Me Up. We're gonna go towards the very cool toned area today. And if you see me doing this, is because I'm kind of taking the product that was on my brush previously on my hand. These are super nice, very blendable, very pigmented, and you guys know I love the matte touch blushes. I've seen Kathleen Lights rave about the satin ones, and she actually takes them traveling with her, but in Europe I think they have been discontinued. Before I move on to highlight, I always set my powders in place. Think of it as in when you put a shimmery shade on top of a matte shade on your eyelid, the shimmery shade doesn't pop as much. It's the same situation with like having a fully powdered skin and then putting a shimmery shade on top. It's just not gonna pop as much. So I like my highlighter to be blinding for Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna go set it quickly with my MAC Fix Plus. I have to give credit for that because I have been digging into this so much. This is the Revolution Ultra Pro Glow, and you can see where, like, I don't know if you can see, but I've made a dent here, dent here, dent here. I've made quite a few dents. I think I'm gonna use the second one, the little bit peachy one. Boom, nothing. Boom, nothing. Makeup Revolution highlighters are everything. If you haven't tried it, you should definitely try them. Before we move straight into the eyeshadow, I forgot, we have to do brows. The most exciting thing. in the whole history of makeup. Not. I'm gonna go back to an oldie but a goodie again. I'm gonna go back to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown. You guys, I love it. I love the color. I love ashy tones on my brows because my brows pull gray, and I just love when the pomade can actually complement the color of my actual brow hairs. Oh my god, I'm so all over the freaking place that I forgot the most important thing, highlighting my nose. Ooh, that's so cute. Now that I've completed my face, I'm gonna go do brows quickly and then I'll be right back to start with the eyes. You guys, I have to use this palette for my eyes for what I have envisioned today. This is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Black Magic palette. It is to die for, and it has these cool tone shades that I actually want to play with. We're gonna create sort of a typical cool toned smoky eye. I'm gonna start fast with the shade Shh, and you guys guessed it, it's going in the crease. Actually, looking at this palette kind of makes me want to create another makeup look for Christmas with like these greens here. So pretty. When my brush doesn't really have a lot of product, I kind of pull this line towards my brow. Now we're gonna go into a color that I'm very, very scared to play with. I'm usually very scared to play with any of these colors. I'm gonna go into Mojo. Oof, this is very, very pigmented. Slowly I'm gonna start blending this into the crease color. Gonna go in again with Mojo and intensify the shade on the lid. It actually looks like almost a black. So I'm gonna go into the shade Poof. Then I'm gonna put this all over the lid. And if you're like, Georgia, this is meant to be a Christmassy look, where's the sparkle, where is it? We're meant to be blinding Christmas. Just wait for it. Now I'm gonna take the exact same brush, the first one, the fluffy one, dip into Shh again, and just blend it underneath. So I just put the darker shade, which is Mojo, at my lower lash line, and then I just blended a little bit more the shade Shh around my lid. And the reason why I'm not so fussed about what's happening down here is because we're gonna cover it with eyeliner anyway, so there's no point me hassling and blending even more. It's gonna get covered anyway. I'm gonna go finish this eye off camera, do my eyeliner, obviously off camera because on camera we both know I can't do anything. So yeah, I'm gonna finish eyes and I'm gonna be back to finish the lips. Alright, so we're done with the eyes. Very wispy and flirty. Can't speak today. I don't know how I ended up here. I just wanted a very light color in my crease, a little bit of darkness on the outer edges, and I'm like, boom, nightclub. But I could turn this into my New Year's Eve look and not my Christmas look, but I'm not giving up. This is going to be the Christmas look. Don't know what that is. So for a perfect Christmas look, obviously you've probably seen the thumbnail as well, we need red lips. My favorite tone of red lipstick is this one by BH Cosmetics. This is in the shade Glory, and I'm gonna pair it with the Stay True lip liner from Essence in the shade Taste the Red. I have the feels for this look right now, but we have to zhuzh it up just a little bit. For the zhoozing up part, I'm gonna be using these NYX glitters, and I'm gonna go into the red one, and we're going to create the full glitter lip. I don't want to commit too much because I'm scared and do, you know, the glue and then on top the glitter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with a red lip gloss, and then on top of the lip gloss I'm going to apply the glitter, and I'm gonna need a lot of paper towels for these. Bear back. First we're gonna go with the Colourpop X Hello Kitty Ultra Glossy Lip in Trinkets. This was limited edition, but you can use literally any gloss that you have, even sheer. I'm just using the red because I barely use this red lip gloss. I'm like, now I can use it. And I'm gonna place it, why am I talking about putting lip gloss? I'm gonna place it very, carefully to not, you know, step out of the lines. You guys, I love the matte version so much. Now I love the glossy one. I hope I love the glitter version just as much. I'm just gonna open the glitter. Ooh, and I think I'm gonna go in with my finger. Ooh. Okay, tell me this is not... Oh my god, look at it. That is so beautiful. Oh my god. That looks so bomb. Alright guys, I think this concludes the whole look. I put my pretty earrings on as well. If you like this sort of look, but then you're like, you know what, the smoky eye is a little bit too deep, and together with the glitter lips, I think it's a little bit, you know, too much to handle. You can either do this dark smoky eye with like a very nice, pretty glossy nude lip, or you can do the eyes and then just do nothing on top and just pop some really wispy big lashes. I think it's not doing it justice. I'm gonna use my phone. I don't care if I get it full of glitter. Wow. So yeah, this is the entire look completed. I can't stop looking at the viewfinder because this just looks so pretty with the lips. The lips are just, their lips just captivating for real. So even though we've gone a little bit overboard with the eyes, I don't think it overshines the lips at all. So that's it for the Christmas look Glam, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't stop looking at myself on the viewfinder. This needs to stop. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.